Why you're not wearing your black pants? Ayaw niya? Ah, okay. Thank you. Who's that? Who? Oh wow, is that oh, don't get awi. Is that awi? Oh. Oh, be careful with that. Don't wanna get awi. No. You really like that workshop tools, ha? May mumu na naman. Chay, may mumu dyan. Ayan, thank you.
Mommy, what this?
Tatrabaho lang tayo. Oh, wow. Manood na lang, pwede.
Mommy, do line?
Oh, you're making a line? Can you do a straight line?
Yeah, what is
Straight line. Nice. Good job.
I mean, road.
Oh, wow. Let me see. Smile.
Cheese.
Hindi, ay, wala naman ako makita ng cheese. You really like that? Where did we buy that? Where did we buy that green one, Dad? Huh? Oh, really? That one? What is the name?
It's right here on the side of the box.
Huh?
Yeah, beating me too.
Oo nga.
Today, do a better one. You try the other one now.
Pinagalitan ko nga yan.
It's tiny one.
Pinagalitan ko ah. Yan, si Julin. Oh. Paano pagbaba niya sa bus, nakatali yung sintas niya? Pareho? Kaya pag maglakad siya, muntik na siyang madapa? So, di man lang niya napansin, tinali ng kasama niya sa bus? Dakdakon? Di mo lang mapansinan?
Right here, I'm watching you. I'm watching you.
Oh, Julin is gonna play with you. Oh, Daddy's gonna play with you. Wow, that's a lot of people playing with you. And Grandma was waiting for you.
Look, the beam's on me.
Oo. Napagalitan ng isang oras. Apay, dakdakan, di mo na napansin nga nakatali ta sintas mo. Sabi ko nga, pag nakita mo yun, sabi mo, sinumbong mo sa akin, ha? Kasi hindi mo mapansin mo ito, italig din. Ang nyalakit din. Ada ka sa una gamin. Huwag mo nakita na. Ada ka sa una siguro.